Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we will talk about sprint review meetings, another important meet of the Scrum framework, and is held at the end of each sprint, which serves as an opportunity to inspect the increment and adopt the product backlog if needed. Its primary purpose is to review the work that was completed during the sprint and discuss any unfinished items. Let's see who facilitates this meeting and who all attend this meeting. Again, the Scrum Master facilitates this meeting, and this meeting is attended by the entire Scrum team, including the Scrum Master, Product Owner, and the development team. Along with the Scrum team, there can be other participants in this meeting. People from senior management and customers' end may also be there as a part of sprint review to have a better understanding of the product increment coming out as part of this sprint. Now let's talk about what is discussed in this meeting. The agenda of sprint review meeting typically includes first, demonstration of work. The development team demonstrate the work they have completed during the sprint. This is an opportunity for the stakeholders to see the progress made on the product. Second, review and feedback. After the demo of work is done in the sprint, stakeholders and the team members discuss the product. This includes feedback on the features shown and any changes or improvements needed. Here, the product owner reviews the sprint increment and approves the work done. If the work is not completed as per the acceptance criteria or users' needs, then that work is marked incomplete and it goes back to the product backlog. Third, adaptation and planning for next steps. Based on the feedback and review, the team and stakeholders discuss the next steps. This can include prioritization of items for the next sprint or making changes to the product roadmap. Fourth, metrics and progress review. The team, along with other stakeholders, may review the key metrics or progress indicators such as velocity or burn down charts to understand how the sprint went and how the overall project is heading. Fifth, stakeholder engagement and communication. This is a chance for stakeholders who are not regularly involved in the day-to-day development to provide their input and stay informed about the product's progress and direction. Now let's move forward and discuss what are the factors that lead to the success of sprint review meeting. The success of sprint review in Scrum largely depends upon first, stakeholder engagement. Active participation and feedback from stakeholders is a must. Their input ensures that the product is developing in alignment with the user's needs and business objectives. Second, quality of the increment. The work presented should be potentially releasable and should fulfill the acceptance criteria. The quality of the increment reflects the team's ability to deliver value. Third, collaborative discussion. The meeting should facilitate a two-way conversation, not just a presentation or a working product demo, but it should be more of a discussion and meaningful conversation. Fourth, alignment on the next steps. The team and stakeholders should leave the meeting with a clear understanding of upcoming priorities and any adjustments needed in the product backlog. In a sense, the success of sprint review is determined by how well it fulfills the purpose of reviewing the product increment and adapting the work plan accordingly. Now let's discuss what are the common pitfalls during a sprint review meeting. Sprint review meeting can be a failure because of few reasons. They are first, insufficient preparation. When the Scrum team and the product owner fail to adequately prepare for discussions regarding completed work and the product backlog, the meeting can suffer from a lack of focus and clarity. For instance, consider a scenario where a specific module of the product requires a prepared environment for demo purposes. If this environment is not properly set up, it can lead to wasted time for everyone involved, as the demo may not proceed successfully. Second, lack of stakeholder engagement. Limited or no participation from stakeholders can lead to missed opportunities for valuable feedback and alignment on the product. Third, dominance of technical details. Emphasizing more on technical details can sidetrack the meeting from its main purpose and make it difficult for the non-technical stakeholders or members to understand. Fourth, ignoring feedback. Failing to sufficiently address or integrate stakeholders' feedback can result in a disconnect from users' needs and business objectives. For example, if a customer provided feedback on, let's say, module 1 during the last sprint review, then that feedback should ideally be applied to subsequent modules as well. However, if the team neglects to do that, it indicates unresponsiveness. Fifth, overlooking future planning. Focusing solely on what has been completed without planning next steps can also limit the meeting's effectiveness. Remember, sprint review is not just a review meeting, but an event focused to ensure that the product is developing in a way which meets users' needs and business goals. With that, let's quickly view the benefits of having sprint review meeting as part of Scrum. The benefits of having sprint review meeting are: first, real-time feedback. Sprint review meetings provide an opportunity for the stakeholders to provide immediate feedback on the product increment. This helps teams understand if they are going in the right track or not, and if any adjustments are needed, they can make the same. Second, transparency. These meetings promote transparency by showcasing what has been accomplished during the sprint. It allows the stakeholders to see the progress made and understand how their input is being incorporated. Third, alignment. Sprint reviews ensure that the team and the stakeholders are aligned on the product's direction. By discussing what has been done and what's planned next, everyone stays on the same page. Fourth, validation. Stakeholders get to validate whether the product increments meets their expectations and requirements or not. This helps in building confidence in the product and ensure that it aligns with business needs. Customer satisfaction. Sprint review meetings contribute to customer satisfaction by providing them with a visibility into the project's progress. This transparency ensures customers that their needs and expectations are being met. Additionally, by consistently integrating their feedback, teams can ensure that they are delivering the product that is truly needed by the customers. So that was all in this session. In the next session, we will be discussing sprint retrospective meetings. If you're not able to understand any term, you can go to the previously uploaded videos in this series. And still, if any term remains unexplained, please do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section. You can connect with me through LinkedIn, through Instagram, and of course through YouTube comments. If you're looking for comprehensive courses with respect to Agile and project management, you can go to my website www.managementbliss.com. So stay tuned. Bye for now.